Just set up the shack, got here, instant spinning. You guys are gonna shit when I show you the fish here. Nothing. Right out of his mouth hole. Good thing I didn't catch it, because nothing's that up. Nuts. I'm sure there's nothing on it. What's going on, everybody? It is Buschfishin. I am out here. Another day. I came out yesterday. That video is probably not going to be anything good. I might put a picture up right now. But it's the next day and there's an actual blizzard going on. As you can see, I set up my shack for the first time this year. 4-man shack, eagle claw, whatever. So, back onto a better story. Yesterday, got up at sunrise, went out. It was okay. A lot of people. Came out today, filming another episode of Ditch Monsters that this is going to be, hopefully. And I get out late. Didn't get up early. Ratchy's out here at sunrise. I'm fishing with him again. Just wait until he gets back, because you guys are not going to believe the fish that he just caught. So, I'll wait for him to get back. I think he's grabbing coffee. And then I'll show you guys.
Where began?
Tell us about your fish today.
Where do I start? So, first flag of the day, a little after 8. Actually, it wasn't even a flag because it was frozen to the ice. So I see it's pulling line, I run over to it, set the hook, get one good pull back, thought I lost it because it starts swimming at me. End up bringing it up to the hole, getting a good eye on it, and I know that it's the big one, the one that I caught a couple weeks ago out of here. And my first thought is there's nobody here to take a picture, there's no camera. Thank God I saw a couple of guys walking up, and as they walked up they were actually willing to, they got a flag, willing to take a picture for me. So hopefully that gets in the video, because it's not in the video. Somebody slept in.
I'll put the pictures up right now. I did indeed sleep in. But just look at the screen. That's the fish that he caught. 38 inches. What was it last time? 12.6?
12.9.
12.9 pounds.
Same fish.
Ditch monsters, okay? We're in a ditch, and that's a monster. Okay, we got flags all around us. I can't even show these. And then he's got that rod over there, and he actually caught it on a rod. So he said if that one goes up, I can have it. So, alright, we're gonna sit, wait for these flags to go up, and go hammer another one. It's hopefully 40. Loaded. You guys got to see my graph. I'll set up the camera in a second, but this is ridiculous. Look at the colors on that one, though. God, they're all small. Just want a big bass, like a 1-pounder. Are you kidding?
On a spoon?
That pulled drag. Spoon does it too. It's another pretty guy. Tiny though. Oh. Oh. Gotcha.
Donkey.
They're all big uns in here.
We gotta be approaching the afternoon bite window now. Huh?
Oh yeah, it's on already. Just starched. Do you have those plastics? Fuck. That's a better one. Slimy bastard. Compared to the other ones though?
It's a bigger one.
Great. Maybe I'll stay in this hole.
Drag paling alone. It's got the size.
Dude, they're getting bigger.
Yeah.
They are actually getting a little bigger. Really? Bro's been rolling this whole time too.
I don't know if that was just the shiner.
Is that a big shiner?
Yeah, I think so.
It's still spinning, there's weight on it.
Yeah, there it's off to the side.
Oh.
Nope. It was just the shiner. I forgot it was the big one.
That was a big one.
That was a big one.
There, fucking 4-pound bass is gonna come out.
I'll hold it if you want to run back and get it. This isn't the pole.
We didn't grab the plastics. Oh my god, dude. My rod went. That might have been a better one. Holy shit, Ratchet, that's a big one.
There's your bass.
Of course, dude. Literally, as soon as we get back with my camera over there. Spoon did it, boys. My first bass jigging of the year. I said I just wanted a 1-pounder. This probably isn't a pound, but look at that. He chomped the Swedish nipple. Okie doke, let's get a release on this bad mamma jamma. Looks like I got another one down there. Look at that pretty bass. They're in here. Oh my god, that's a better one. A snagged freaking jumbo shiner.
I'm gonna make a little live well here for you.
Look at the size of them. You can see how hard I set the hook on them. Dude,
That's a nice one, bud.
it's a fucking stud. It's the first fish I ever snagged through the ice. Never knew that. I saw a video of a great white. He had a 2 foot long. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I just finished editing this video. Not my most exciting video, and it probably could have been, but I decided to sleep in for an extra hour while Ratchet was out there at sunrise. And he actually caught one of like the biggest, fattest pike I've seen. And the best part was it came out of this tiny drainage ditch, like I said in a bunch of these videos, max depth 3 feet. You guys have seen me fish it before and it's loaded with fish. And actually there's big ones, and he thought that it was the same fish he caught last time because both were 38. That's the second 38 he's caught out there, but we compared the markings on the gill plate, and they're actually different fish. So that's super exciting, and we're kind of thinking that there might be a 40 in there, and that's really what I want to catch. I've got a couple of videos planned for the rest of this week. I'm going to try and hammer them out because I'm not going to be able to fish this weekend, but I'm going to actually be trying a few different things that could be pretty cool. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to subscribe. And if you are subscribing, hit the notification bell because sometimes YouTube doesn't like to show when I post a new video. But yeah, we caught some good fish jigging, caught my first bass of the year jigging, snagged a shiner, and we actually put it on the tip up. Yeah, but I got a lot more of that planned. Holy crap. I'm also starting to get sick, so I'm going to try and get as many videos out as I can, so then I can just sit here editing. But, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Buschfishin'. I don't know why I said that. I'll see you guys on the next one.